In 1980, His Holiness Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche moved solely by the intention to benefit sentient beings by preserving and promoting the teachings and practices of the Buddhadharma, established a sanctuary, school, and residence for students in the Larung Valley of Sertar County, Garze Prefecture, Sichuan Province, China. The Larung Valley has long been regarded as a sacred place, imbued with the blessings of many advanced meditators of previous eras, including the great Nyingma master, Dudjom Lingpa. It is said that 13 of his most accomplished students achieved such a high state of realization there that they attained what is known as rainbow body, during which their physical body dissolved into light. At the very beginning of establishing the academy, His Holiness determined the school's principles of teaching and training, which are unity and harmony, pure precepts, listening, reflecting, and meditating, and spreading the Dharma to benefit sentient beings. Guided by these 4 principles, His Holiness initiated another era of revitalizing the Buddhadharma.